Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore logo branding tutorial in Photoshop. Create a new canvas with transparent background. Sketch your logo idea using the pen tool and fill shapes with flat brand colors. Add subtle gradient for depth if needed. Use smart objects for scalable logo elements. Now add text and bold modern font. Apply bevel and emboss for light structures and place your logo mockup on paper or wall textures. Adjust tone using hue saturation. Save multiple colors variations for brand use. Export transparent PNG for delivery. Test logo visibility on light and dark background. Your professional 2025 logo branding is complete. Thanks for